This story, A Letter to God, is written by G.L. Fuentes. So let's see who all are the characters of the story. First main character is Lencho, and he is a farmer in the story, a very poor farmer who is an ox of a man. Ox of a man means a very hard-working person. So a farmer who is an hard-working person. And third is he is an educated person as well. And the second character is postman or the employees of the post office. And third is postmaster, who is an amiable person, amiable fellow, which means a very friendly person. So postmaster is a very friendly person, and he is a generous person as well. Generous how? Because he helps Lencho to achieve what he wants. This story starts with a farmer whose name is Lencho. Lencho is a poor but a very hardworking farmer. He has his house on the top of a low hill, and he has a cornfield which is dotted with flowers. Now he is hoping for a rainfall so that उसके cornfields अच्छे से harvest हो सके, and then he can earn money by selling them. But suddenly it starts raining. He becomes happy and excited. But suddenly strong winds begin to blow, and this rainfall turns into hailstorms. मतलब ओले पड़ने लग जाते हैं. And it destroyed all of his crops. जितनी भी उसकी क्रॉप्स होती है, जितनी भी उसकी मेहनत होती है, वो सारी डैमेज हो जाती है, सारी डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती है. He starts thinking, मेरी सारी क्रॉप्स खराब हो गई है, अब पूरे साल कुछ भी खाने के लिए नहीं होगा. His whole family would go hungry. He was little disheartened, but he gains his confidence and faith in God. He was a very faithful person, or we can say he had a great faith in God. He goes to the post office on the following Sunday and he writes a letter to God. वो भगवान को लेटर लिखता है 100 pesos की डिमांड करते हुए, so that लेंचो वापस से अपने फील्ड को सो कर सके और वापस से मनी अर्न कर सके. And then he puts his letter into the mail box. Postmaster, who is a fat, amiable fellow, reads his letter. और वो लेटर पढ़ते ही हंसना शुरू कर देता है. But he also gets impressed with Lencho and wishes to have such a faith in God. He wanted to help Lencho, so he collects 70 pesos from his friends and also contribute some of his salary. He writes a letter to Lencho and then he signs the letter as God. And then he puts the letter into the mail box. On the next Sunday, Lencho comes again in post office to collect his money. He opens up the envelope which is actually written by the postmaster. और जब वो envelope खोलता है, he gets disappointed as he gets only 70 pesos instead of 100 pesos. मतलब उसने 100 pesos की डिमांड की थी और उसको रिसीव होते हैं सिर्फ 70 pesos. He again writes a letter to God saying that post office employees are a bunch of crooks, means dishonest people, and they have stolen all of his money. So this chapter ends with the situational irony. This chapter shows that our faith gives us immense power and also help us to achieve our goal. However, we should be satisfied in what we get, and we should also understand that humanity still prevails in the society.